Hey, we're over here at Junction Street, and the guys told me we just got in another cool car. Now, we did a video over here a couple days ago, and you all loved it, so we're gonna take our time and go through right after we look at this amazing car. Look at this 34. Talk about hot. She is flaming red hot, baby. Look at that thing. The black's looking sweet. I love it when they go from the red flames to the orange to the yellow. They've got them all pinstriped out, and under the hood is a blown small block. Man, I tell you what, you want to talk about gorgeous. You can see the whole front suspension's all chromed out, looking good. And look at them fatties on the back. Now, them are some balonies right there, baby. Amazing car right here, guys. Look at this black beauty. Yeah, it's a 34. You gotta check out that rear suspension too. Look at them tailpipes. Man, this thing looks good. I just love me some balonies. We gotta put some of that supercharged horsepower down to the ground. Now let's come up over here and we're gonna take a look right from the front and go all the way to the back. We got us a little Mustang Convertible sitting here. Isn't that sweet? She's gorgeous. It's got a V8 under the hood. It's got red and white interior in there. It's an automatic car. And then look at this GTO back here. This baby sold quick. We got it in, somebody scooped it right up. We got another little street rod here. A couple C8 Corvettes back there. We got a 454 Chevrolet pickup truck here. Look at this, turbo coupe T-Bird. Man, I love those things. And you gotta go over there and look at that Buick. Man, she looks sharp. Got real wires on the wheels, and look at all the chrome on this baby. This thing has gotta have $25,000 worth of chrome work on it. It is beautiful. Of course, we got a couple of Cobras. Actually, we got three. Back there in the corner is that's actually a Kirkham Cobra, all aluminum. Then we got a couple of backdrafts sitting here. This one's sold, heading off to Texas. Just an amazing setup of cars here. Then of course we got the GT350. Love this car. You want to talk about handling? This baby's got some handling, got some big old Brembo brakes on her. And then we can't walk past that Jeep. Look at that baby. Got a big old winch on the front. She's got a V8 in there with side pipes. That silver paint's looking sweet. Everything about this Jeep is customized. Got the little bikini top on top here. That silver paint's looking sweet. This is for pulling your buddies with the Chevrolet pickup trucks out of the ditch. I had one of those when I was a kid. Let's go back here in the big room. We got that Eldo convertible there. And looky there, there's another GT350. We got Mustang Row over here, baby. We got a Cobra sitting right next to that. Looks like a Roush Mustang sitting next to that. Then we got another GT350 sitting right next there. Got a convertible Mustang. Another Cobra. Then an old school convertible sitting there. Then check out the GTO, man. That thing was only here a minute and it sold. That baby's waiting on a ride to its new home. And then check out this Chevelle, 67 teal car. She's gorgeous with the Kragers on her. Looking sweet. 502 under the hood of this one, baby. GM Performance. Got our little Chevrolet pickup truck here, short bed. We got us another Chevelle sitting here, looking good. One of my favorite colors. And you want to talk about handling? This baby's flat down on the ground. She's got a 6-speed, it's got a Coyote, and a supercharger. And then this is probably one of the nicest Novas. Man, this thing is sweet. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see all of these cars. Got a great looking Camaro sitting here also. Then of course we got our short bed 4-wheel drive Chevrolet pickup truck sitting here. Then we got the Trans Am made out of a ZL1, baby. That's right, 6.2 liters of supercharged power under the hood of that baby. Then of course my Cobras. Got a nice line of Cobras here. Got a silver one with green stripes, we got a charcoal one with silver stripes, and we got a silver one with silver stripes. So we had to turn the heat on here in Michigan. That's what you're hearing in the background. Check out this 5-window back here. Talk about quality. She is beautiful. I think we got to go back the other way. We're getting pinned in back here. Look at all that sea of beautiful cars out there, man. Just gorgeous. Yeah, check out underneath the hood of this baby. Let's count the pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. That's right, she's a V10. Then check out the custom Mustang. Man, you want to talk about sweet? Look at that beauty. All right, we got an F100 here. Looking sweet, brand new bed in there, custom interior in there. Can't go wrong with a Corvette. Gorgeous car right there. And then here's our little notchback. It was up on the lift last time you saw it. You want to talk about fun. Got Coyote power, and it's a notchback. Then of course we got our 4-wheel drive sitting right next to it. You want to go mudding? Let's go mudding. That's where I'd take that thing. First thing I'd go to is the sand dunes with that baby. Oh, and look, got a big old black Chevrolet pickup truck sitting right next to it. You got to look under the hood of this baby. We got a little surprise under the hood here. Look at that. This is an LT motor out of a brand new Chevrolet pickup truck. That's cool. What do you think? You want to walk there, back there toward the back? We got a couple of Lincolns back there. We love our low mileage big Lincolns. Isn't that beautiful? And now, look at a Willys pickup truck. Talk about sweet. This thing's got a small block in it, completely frame off restored. Everything on it looks excellent. You're going to be seeing this one real soon. Take that to a car show, guarantee there's not going to be another one there unless you're at a Willys car show. That thing is sweet, man. You want to look under the hood of this one? Let's see if we can get the hood up. Look at that, small block Chevy, air conditioning. Look at the finish on this thing. It's got like a bed liner material on the firewall and on the bottom of the hood. That helps keep down the sound. And of course, it's 4-wheel drive. If you need to pull your buddies out, right there's where you're gonna hook them up. Now we go over here in the other room here. We got, there's gotta be another 60 or 70 cars over here. We got our Mark IV sitting here. I told you about that one earlier. Of course, we've moved some stuff around. Every day, stuff's coming and going here at Vanguard. Got a gorgeous Camaro here. Got the cowl hood on it. And then look at the sea of blue here. We got some blue Mustang, couple Chevelles. You get up high there, there's a blue Cobra sitting right next to it. Here's another 67 Chevelle sitting here. We got Connor. It looks like Connor's trying to pick the lock over there. Look at that. He's got the Slim Jim in there. Hey, he got it. Trim came off the window. He's reinstalling that. Then one of my favorite cars in the stable here. Look at this charcoal Chevelle. Oh goodness, here's another one of my favorites. I got a lot of favorites. 1968 Charger. This thing is just as pretty on the bottom as it is on the top, guys. This is top-notch restoration right here. And then that Scottsdale pickup truck, that baby's got a gear shifter in it. So if you're into shifting gears, there's your truck right there. Oh, looky here. Here comes the notch back here. That's going out for a test drive. Listen to that Coyote. And then we got the 55 up here. Let's take a look at that. Black and white 55. Pretty much all original. Just looking sweet. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna take a quick look at my car. Yeah, I haven't had time to work on my car because I'm too busy out here doing this stuff for you guys, but that's an A460. It's out to 600 inches. I got a couple wires I gotta hook up yet. We're gonna loom all that up, so we're completely redoing the wiring on this thing. You'll see this out next summer. There's a Chevelle that's sold. You wanna talk about gorgeous? Man, that thing's sharp. Of course, we got another Chevelle sitting here. See, we moved all these double stackers over here from the other shop so we could put 2 posts in, and we've got some mechanics coming in. Everything's looking sweet here. Here's another Tri-5 right here. Don't worry, we're gonna change them wheels. Yeah, we'll probably put Kragers on that baby. She just came in also. This teal GTO, actually it's a Le Mans with a GTO look to it. A gentleman came in this morning and bought this baby. Got a good looking convertible GTO back here. Actually, we got 2 of them. It's a real pretty deep maroon color. It looks like it may have just a little bit of pearl in it too. Then if you're not into real pretty maroon, how about white? Black interior. Talk about sweet. And oh man, one of my favorite Camaros here. Look at that orange Camaro with those silver stripes. Let's pop the hood of this one also. Look at that, Ramjet 502, baby. GM Performance Power. We got another beautiful black GTO back there. Look at that. She's gorgeous. And yeah, don't worry, it's getting new wheels too. More than likely Kragers on it too. This will be coming soon. We got a good looking yellow Camaro sitting here. So guys, you want any information on any of this stuff, you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you everything you need to know.